Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and backing up photos. This prevents accidental data loss. Now go straight to Settings, tap Apps, then see All Apps and find Camera. Once you're viewing the Camera app info page, you'll see options like Force Stop, Storage, Permissions, and possibly Disable. If Disable appears, you can proceed immediately. If not, prepare ADB by enabling developer options and USB debugging for the advanced route. Once on the app page, try Force Stop first, then tap Disable. That's the safest route because it preserves the package but prevents execution. If Disable is grayed out, uninstall updates to revert to the factory package and try again. When the UI won't allow disabling, use a DB. Enable USB debugging, connect your phone to a PC, authorize the connection, then run a DB shell PM disable user 0com. Android, camera, or your device's camera package name. This removes access without rooting. After disabling, reboot your phone and verify the camera app won't launch. Try invoking it from the lock screen and from any third-party apps to ensure it's blocked. If you need to restore functionality, return to Settings right arrow, Apps right arrow Camera and tap Enable, or run the corresponding ADB enable command. If the camera returns after an update or OEM reset, boot into safe mode to confirm third-party interference and reapply the disable. Make sure no device administrator, or MDM policy, re-enables the app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.